Hey guys, it is currently Veterans Day, and my brother's about to come home pretty soon, so I'm gonna make this video right now instead of at 11 p.m. So, before we get started, not get started, but show you the current process. The parents went there for inspection. This is what I've been working on. Yep. The Hall Wheels Event Center garage door. It's got the track right there. And this goes like that. And it goes, you push it like that. And this goes up like that. Essentially, this pencil right here goes along this track. So, yeah, this is the door. Still not completed yet. Still need to add more cardboard on top of it and on the sides. This is for the middle part, and it's a lot different than this one right here because this doesn't open a lot different than that one right there. So this one's gonna open like an old school garage door. That one just opens like that. It's not gonna be installed just yet, but making improvements already. And I also ordered another Hot Wheels set. It's a car wash. That's it.